good morning! Mabuhay and blessed be God forever. So ituloy na po natin ang ating lesson. Tapos na tayo sa Dalton's partial pressure. Ngayon naman po ay ang gas stoico. Now, if you remember po our lesson on midterm, importante po ang balancing sa ating stoico. So ngayon po, ang ito-topic na natin is ang gas stoico. So, gas stoico is when we perform experiments that involve gaseous reactants and products. The knowledge of the behavior and the properties of the gases po become important. Kasi paano natin malalaman daw ang behavior ng isang gas kung hindi po natin ito solve using stoico. In such reaction, the basic principles of stoico applies in addition to the different gas law. So, the first po is the mass-volume relationship. Paano ito sinasolve? Like all computations in the stoico, the mass-volume relationship will depend on the mole relationship po. So, papasok ulit po si mole. However, because the gases are involved, different gas laws are or must be also considered. So, here we have an example po. Consider the thermal decomposition of potassium chlorate, and the reaction used in the laboratory preparation is an oxygen gas. So if we have a chemical reaction daw po of 2KCl and it will yield to a product of 2KCl and 3 oxygen gas, ilan daw po kaya ngayon yung moles present at ilan yung molar quantity? So we will write a reaction table. So for reaction table po, kailangan muna una na balance. So itong given ko po rito, this one, ay na-balance na siya itself. So we will find na po. So unahin natin ang moles of substance sa tatlo po nating compound. So here we have 2 moles and 3 moles. Our moles of substance here is 2, 2, and 3. Now, let's go po sa molar quantity. Ang molar quantity po natin is kinuha from our atomic mass. So, we have K, Cl, and we have oxygen. So, we have 3 daw po na oxygen. 3 times 16 kasi 16. Si Cl po natin ay meron po tayong 35 times 1. Si K po natin ay meron po tayong, wait lang, tingnan ko po sa ating periodic table. We have 39 po. 39 times 1. So, we have 3 times 16, 48. So, 48 times, plus 35 plus 39. The answer po is 122. So, 39, 35, we have 122. So, that is 122 po. Sa KCl, so we have 39 plus 35, we have 74. Now, ma'am, bakit po si 3O2 or si oxygen gas ay hindi po siya naka 16 times 2. Now, if we remember po, sa ating last lesson, we have po at STP. Now, ang value ng STP po natin is 22.4 liters. Now, all oxygen po or all gas ha, ibig sabihin lahat po ng diatomic natin, kay gas man yan sila, all gas will become 22.4. Automatic po yan siya. So, total reaction, 2 times 122, 2 times 74, saan galing ito? Gimultiply po natin. And 3, kasi tatlo po, 3 times 22.4 liters STP. Na sinabi po dito, the quantity of O2 is expressed. So the quantity of O2 is expressed in terms of volume since we do not measure the quantity of gas po in terms of mass but in terms of volume. So lahat po ng gas yan ha. So here we have a problem po. if 50 grams of KClO3 is decomposed, how many liters daw kaya of oxygen gas measured at STP will be produced? Now, based on the reaction table po, we can establish the relationship na sa 20 moles ng KClO3, it can produce 2 moles of KCl and 3 moles of oxygen gas. So therefore, we can arrive po a proportion. Paano po nakuha yung answer na yan? We do have a formula. So we have po reactant over product is equals to given mass and given volume. Then we will cross multiply. Yan po pinakamadali. So let's write our given. So we have po our reactant is KClO3. This one po. Kasi siya mang nauna. So we have 2 times 1.22 grams of KCl. Ano siya? Formula na lang sa mambing. Oh, sige, sorry ha. God bless. So we have formula na to is volume man ang ginapangita. Kay pila man daw ka liters. So we cross multiply. We have po given mass times our product times po reactant. Oh. So, ato na siyang isulat. Given mass na to, kay pila man daw, 50 grams times pila man itong product. Itong product man kay kaning O2. So, pila ka moles? 3 times 22. 22.4 divided by pila tong reactant. We have 2 times 122. O, kalkyo na to. 50 times 3. Ay, 50. O, nagakalkyo ko dali gakuha ha. Pag kalkyo mo. 3 times 22.4. Then we have 2 times 122. The answer should be 13.76. 78 liters of O2. Both man na final answer. Again, you will have this formula po. Reactant over product times given mass divided by given volume. Here we have another example po. Calculate the mass of KNO3 that must be decomposed to produce 11.2 liters of oxygen at STP. So we have this chemical formula of 2KNO3. It will yield or it will have a product of 2KNO2 plus O2. Siyempre, automatic na. Kuwao na to ang ilahang mole. Pila ka buok. So, we have 2, 2, 1. KNO3. Si K po ay may, siyempre, hanapin na naman natin. Si K po ay merong 39. KNO. We have 39. Si N po ay meron po siyang 14. And si O po ay may 16 times 1 times 1 times 3. So we have 39, 14, and we have 16 times 3. We have 48. Okay, let's add po. 39 plus 14 plus 48. We have 101 grams per mole. Okay, si Kn 101. Now si K2NO po. 39 plus 14 plus 16 times 2. We have 85. We have 22.4. Now, ang kinakalculate daw po natin ay si KNO3. So, ibig sabihin, this will become our reactant. Volume, this is our given volume. Mass man daw. So, ang hinahanap po natin is our mass. So, we have po O2. So, this will be our product. So, by formula, we have po reactant, product, times given mass and given volume. Ang hinahanap po is given mass. So, given mass is equals to reactant times given volume over product po. So, let's go. So, reactant po natin is 2 times 101. Then, we have po our given na volume na 11.2 liters. Over product po natin is O2. Ilan lang naman? 1. So, we have 1 times 22.4 liters. So, let's do calculation. 2 times 101 times 11.2 times 22.4. Your answer should be po 101. Ano liter man na? God bless. 101 grams. Winner! Yan na po yung answer natin. Mabilis lang. Yan na po yan. Go for the gold. Ma'am, nga na mo siya grams? Mole, grams per mole, cancel. Bugs, grams. Utukan bataa. Okay. Now, I want you to solve this on your own po. I'll give you 3 minutes to solve on your own. Dili na ko siya i-pause. Inyo jud siyang ansiran. Exactly 10:36 po, I'll solve that. Okay, I'll be solving na po. The correct answer should be 2.69 liters. Again, the answer should be 2.69 liters. Let's answer po. So, sa isa daw pong mole ni glucose natin na C6H12O6 at saka magre-react daw po ito sa 6 moles ng oxygen gas and it will have a product po of 6 carbon dioxide at saka water. So kunin po muna natin ang ating table. So we have 1, 6, 6, 1. We have po si C6H12. So we have 6 times 12 CHO. H po natin is 12 times 1. O po natin is 16 times 6. So, 6 times 12 equals 72. So, we have 12 and we have po 16 times 6 equals 96. Okay, i-add po natin yan lahat. We have 72 plus 12 plus 96. We have 180. We have po 180. Now, dito naman po, dahil gas po ito, so it will become 6 times 22.4. 6 times 22.4. Will become po 22.4 times 6 na nasa ni. The same po dito, we have 6 times 22.4 and then we have H2O na 17. 1 times 17. So let's write the given po. Reactant over product times given mass over given volume. So, inahanap po natin ay volume. So, it will become given volume is equals to cross multiplication. We have po product times given mass over reactant. So, una po natin is ang ating product. Or ano nga ba yung ni-react nito? So, we have po 6 times 22.4 6 times 22.4 times 3.60 over 180. So, kung i-multiply po natin ang 6 times 22.4 times 3.60 divided by 180, the answer po will become 2.668. And kapag ito decimal rule po natin, we have 2.69 liters. Okay. I'll be now moving po. So, that ends our mass-volume relationship. Now, we'll directly go po sa ating volume-volume relationship. So, we have here a problem po. Consider the reaction for the synthesis of ammonia. N2 plus 3H2 will yield to 2 moles of ammonia. According po sa reaction, sa 1 mole daw po ng N2 natin, it will react with 3 hydrogen gas to form 2 moles po of ammonia. Since all reactants po are gaseous, paano natin nalaman na gaseous? May G po dito, may G po dito, may G. We can write that at SCP, 22.4 liters of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of 22.4 liters of hydrogen to form po 2 moles of 22.4 liters of ammonia. Since 22.4 liters is a common factor among the volumes, we can simplify the volume ratio po by dividing all terms to 22.4. In short, 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 liters or 3 moles of hydrogen and to form 2 liters or moles of ammonia. So we can see that the volume relationship between gases in a reaction is identical with the mole relationship. We have here an example po. So, what volume NH3 will be formed from 12.0 liters of hydrogen if the volume of the gases are measured under identical conditions of temperature and pressure? Assume that volume of N2 supplied is in excess of that necessary to completely react all available hydrogen and that all reaction goes to completion. We have this po. So, N2 plus 3H2 will yield to 2NH3 or ammonia. We can establish daw po na sa 3 liter po ni hydrogen, it will form 2 ammonia. So, therefore po, gagamitin po natin ulit ang ating formula which is reactant over product is equals to or cross multiply to given mass over given volume. Now, ang ginagamit po natin ngayon dito is liters because nga it is in volume-volume relationship. Pwede na po yan. So, therefore, 12 liters of hydrogen will form volume liters of ammonia. So, we have po a reactant natin na 3 liters. Saan po galing si 2? Galing po sa ating product, 2L. Now, we have a given mass po. Or a given volume of 12. So, we have 12 liters of H2 over volume. Kasi ang hinahanap po natin ngayon ay ilan daw kaya ang volume ni NH3. So, we have 3 divided by 2 times 12. The answer po is 8. O, bisag pa i-calculate ninyo na guys kasi, di ba ilipat man natin, erase ko to. V is equals to reactant over product times given po natin for gas 1 given for gas 2. Oh. So we have 3 times, reactant man tayo. Cross multiply, V, tama, 2 times 12 divided by 3. The answer is A. Charan! Next po, we have a problem right here. Calculate daw po the volume of CO2 or carbon dioxide measured at STP that can be obtained by the thermal composition of 20 grams of CaCO3 by this equation. CaCO3 will yield to CaO plus CO2. So, ang kailangan po natin hanapin is ang volume daw po ng ating product na CO2. So, let's start. So, we have CaCO. So, si Ca po ay meron pong 40. Hanapin ko muna. Just to make sure. Si carbon po natin ay may 12. And si oxygen po natin ay may 16 times 3. 1 times 1 is equals to 40, 12, 16 times 3 equals 48. Let's add 40 plus 12 plus 48 will yield to 100 grams per mole. Come on, let's go. Now, si carbon dioxide po natin is 8 gas. So, automatic po na 22.4 liters ito siya. Now, let's use our formula po. Reactant over product is equals to given of our gas 1 over given of our gas 2 in volume. Okay, ang reactant po. So, we have, ang hinahanap po natin ay volume 2. So, we have, we have GGVL1 over product. Amen. God bless. Times product over GV2. So, we have GV1 po natin, which is our, is 20 times our product na 22.4 times 1 kasi isa lang na moles divided by GB2 man ka. Let me do the ulit. V ka ikaw dari. So, GV1 over product reactant ka. So, ang reactant po natin ay meron po itong 100 liters. So, let's calculate po. 20 times 22.4. 448 divided by 100. The answer is 4.48 liters. This is the answer for the volume-volume relationship of that problem. Next, we have po, it's your time to shine. I'll give you 3 minutes po. We have time check, 10:49. I'll give you up until 10:51 po para mag-solve. Okay. One minute left. Okay, let's solve it mga kaibigan. With love and care. Your answer should be 40 liters. So, come on, let's go. So, we have CH. Si C po ay may 12. Si H po ay may 1. So, we have times 4, times 1, we have 16. Ay! God bless. Mali pala. Kalimutan ko, ma'am. They are both gases po. So, CH4 at saka si O2 ay both gases. So, this will become 22.4 and this will be also 22.4. So, let's write our formula. Reactant, product times 1 and 2. Ang hinahanap po natin ay si CH4. So, we have GV2 is equals po to P times GV1 over R. Let's exchange. Si product po natin ay may 2 times 22.4. Asagikan si 2 kani. Si 22.4, ito po siya over R na to, reactant na to na 22.4. Times po natin na given GV1 is 20 liters. So, i-calculate po natin 2 times 22.4 times 20. The answer is 40 liters. Charan! Okay. That ends our lesson for today. I hope you'll be prepared po for tomorrow's quiz. I'll be giving you later an activity sa ating GC. Komawo. Kombawa. Konnichiwa.